this. LeChuck!
No! Guybrush, come over here. Gently now. Remove my mask.
Will you promise to stop picking on me?
All right, I promise. Anything. Just put my leg back on.
Hey, you kids. You're not supposed to be in here.
What's next?
Let's goof on those two. Pretend they're our parents.
Yeah! Sorry we ran off. You were probably worried about murderers and ne'er-do-wells.
Don't worry, I found him.
Come on, let's go.
Let's pretend I have powers that make lightning come out of my eyes.
It's so lifelike.
I wonder if it's real. Sorry, boys, could you stop following us? It's creepy.
Yes, sir.
Come on, I saw a scurvy dog shack back there.
Scurvy dogs. I've never had one of those.
No way, you have to try one. It's the best thing you'll ever eat in your life. No fooling.
Wow. What should we do next?
We gotta get to scurvy dogs. I can't believe you never had one.
They put it on a leg to keep you from walking off with it. I'll bring this right back, sir.
You'd be wise to do that. I got the leg from the last kid who didn't bring back the key.
I once got a scurvy dog that was bigger than my head.
The words don't look like words, but there's a picture of a scurvy dog. Sounds real. Hey, Chucky, stand over here for a minute.
Nah, I want to get scurvy dogs.
Exhibit removed. Exhibit removed. Let's not go back there again. We'll just get yelled at.
Yeah, let's get scurvy dogs instead. I'm hungry.
What should we do next?
We gotta get to scurvy dogs. I can't believe you never had one. Someplace.
We'll get some scurvy dogs and then go play over there. What should we do next?
We gotta get to scurvy dogs. I can't believe you never had one.
That's where the outhouse key was.
I once had the hiccups.
Looks like they need a swabby in here. I'll never be the ship's swabby. Those glasses are thicker than the layer of grease on the floor.
You kids better have money.
Yeah, we've got all kinds of money. Can we get a couple scurvy dogs?
Sure. If you give me a piece of 8, that's money that grown-ups use.
I know what a piece of 8 is.
Good for you. You can have a couple of dogs if you give me one.
Please? Can't you spare something for a couple of hungry kids?
Listen up, you little moocher. Let me tell you something. I don't like kids. I'm an honest businessman trying to make an honest living. I don't need 50 kids a day coming in and wasting my time trying to get me to give them free food.
I I guess never mind.
Hey, I know. Let's look for change in the outhouse across the way. Coins fall out of people's pockets when they sit down in there.
Now what?
Can we get a couple of
Sure, if you give me a... Now what?
Can we get a mug of grog, please?
Grog's for grown-ups, beat it!
The words don't look like words, but there's a picture of us. It's locked. Good thing I've got the key in my pocket. It's locked. Good thing I've got the key in my pocket. This would be great for apple bobbing. Let's not go back there again. We'll just get yelled at.
Yeah, let's get scurvy dogs instead. I'm hungry.
What should we do next?
Let's look for change in the outhouse. Maybe we can find enough to get scurvy dogs.
That's where the outhouse key was.
Did you know you...
Looks like they need a swabby in here. How much are the scurvy dogs?
Scurvy dogs are only a half piece of 8.
Tell me again how much the scurvy dogs are?
Scurvy dogs are only a...
Those glasses are thicker than the layer of
I don't see very well, but I can hear just fine.
Looks like they need a swabby in here.
Now what?
Can we get some chicken foot fries?
You got 2 pieces of 8?
No.
Then no fries.
How much did you say grog is?
I told you, grog's only for grown-ups. Stop wasting my time.
It says, return outhouse key when finished, or else. Looks like they need a swabby in here. Sounds real. Wakey, wakey, Mr. Pirate. Hello? Boo!
Ah, he's dead to the world.
Hey, Chucky, get ready to run. I guess they don't like visitors.
Let's go next door and get scurvy dogs.
We'll get some scurvy dogs and then go play over there.